Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making 3 interesting recipes out of one superfood vegetable, elephant yam, also called as Jimikand. We are making yam bites, dosa and appam. So without any further ado, let's begin. Take a pressure cooker, add 250 grams of yam or Jimikand. Add half cup of Chana Dal soaked for 3 to 4 hours or minimum soak it for 1 hour. Add 1 tomato and green chilli. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Now add a glass of water and close the lid. Pressure cook this for 4 whistles on medium to high flame. After 4 whistles, let the pressure release by its own. As you can see, the yam has cooked beautifully. It has become very soft. Let's mash this a bit. We'll grind this into a fine paste once this cools down. So let's keep it aside. Meanwhile, heat a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. In goes 5 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger. Saute for a minute on medium flame. Add 12 shallots and saute till it turns golden brown like so. Now keep it aside and let it cool. Now once the yam cools down, transfer it into a mixer bowl. Add the sauteed shallots, ginger, garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves along with the stems. Add half cup of water and grind this into a fine paste like so. Transfer the batter into a bowl. Add 3/4 cups of rice flour. Mix this really well till all the lumps are removed. Add little water to adjust the consistency. You may also adjust the salt at this stage. This is exactly the consistency we are looking for, similar to a dosa batter. So let's see how to make the dosa first. Heat a pan, add little coconut oil. Once the oil gets hot, add a splash of water and immediately wipe it with a cloth. This hack avoids the batter sticking to the tawa and gives an even cooked and crispier dosa. Cook the dosa for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Add little oil on the sides. This is optional. Once the dosa begins to brown, flip it aside and your crispy dosa is ready to be served. Now for making the appam, follow the same hack but make sure the tawa is really very hot. Just pour the batter and as you can see, it will immediately start to form bubbles like so because the tawa is very hot and takes the shape of a appam. Pour little oil on the sides and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Once it's brown, gently flip this and cook for 10-15 seconds. A delicious appam is ready to be served. Let's move towards making the bites. For this, heat up a pan, add few drops of coconut oil. Once the oil gets heated, pour the batter. Now close the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Pour some oil. Again close the lid and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Bites have been cooked very well from both the sides. Let's plate it. Bites taste best with ketchup, but you can experiment with any dips of your choice. This is crispy from outside and gooey from inside. Gives you a very comforting and delicious taste. Sambar goes well with this dosa and appam. Do try this recipe. Hope you have liked this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos and can learn more interesting recipes like so. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.